Meow. Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden, Crazy Cat Artist. Just putting in a frame for those eyes. Get some windows where I can pop the eyes into. And I'm going to do each eye a little bit different here just to show you a couple of different ways. But right now I'm just kind of correcting as I go and working out the size, making sure they're the right distance apart and things. I find there's usually a bit more than an eye width between the eyes, depending of course on the perspective, which way the cat's looking at you. And checking things. And then we'll get the roundness of the eye in that eye socket. This is a stage for picking and mucking and making sure things are right, but not getting too worried about it being perfect. Don't try to make each eye exactly the same because they never are. You want to keep that drawn look. And those little lines going down the side of the nose are important too. They kind of help place the eye on the face. In this eye, I'm kind of going more by what I see in the photo than anything. In the second eye I'll just kind of trust myself more. And you can decide which one you like better, if you do like one better. And it's definitely darker at the top of the eye because that part of the eye is under shadow from the eyebrow. A little bit of a glint in there. Maybe a bit too much darkness, but I'll pull some out. Just kind of looking at what I see here. And you'll see me not do so much of that in the next one. I like it though. I ended up liking both eyes that I did. Here we go with the second. Yes, hit the subscribe and the notification buttons if you want to see more videos. And I love to hear what you want to learn about cat drawing, so please drop me a comment or even just tell me about yourself or your cat. If you have a video idea, put video idea in capital letters at the beginning so I can find it easily. So this one I'm just kind of trusting my gut and, you know, really keeping the bottom of the eye really bright. And I would do this a lot different if I were doing it in watercolor or something else, but this is just a colored pencil on just plain letter paper. So it's really just a quick sketch, a learning sketch, like every sketch and every drawing is. And as you notice, I kind of place that eye in amongst some tabby stripes and things. Thank you so much for watching today, and I hope to see you next time.